That's it, guys. This is pork floss bun. And this is cream bun. Ito, ganito. With coffee. Dahil muna. Dahil tayo. Hati-hati lang para lahat makakain sabay ganun. Ayun guys, good morning. Maaga kaming nagising. 10 o'clock in the morning. And I am going to see if they drop our trash can. And ayun yung na pinutok namin kahapon. See. They have not picked it up yet. So wala pa, hindi nila dinrap yung ano namin, yung trash. So I am going to put our trash in a black bag and put it out there. Hopefully when they drop our trash can, they will pick it up. And guys, the girls play in the playground
with a sweater.
And American Lake playground, waterfront, whatever. So. Say hi. What's that?
Philippines!
Ang lamig dito ay!
Philippines!
It's cold! I don't have any gloves. Here's my signature, you guys. They're $2.98. Let me get. Let me see if they have other stuff. Grass cutter yan eh. So ayan, it's 5 or 6. Kaya basta in the afternoon at ako'y nagsisigang ng ito guys, pabo. Turkey neck. Ayan ang sinig ko. Matagal kong nilaga yan kahapon pa. Kaya ayan, meron siyang sahog na mustasa at saka ano ba tawag dito? Labanos and okra. And yan lang. Ayan. So ako'y mag-aarado na. Pagkatapos arado at least ready na yung dinner ko. Diba? Taklaw. So ito yung mga pormahan natin guys. Mag-aarado na. Tapos mag-jacket dahil malamig pa sa labas. And then before. Ayan, nakat ko dito sa edge. Yeah, why? Ayan, I will cut over there and there. Thank you for doing it. Thank you, Mom.